Hi everyone, welcome to Fox Focus. It's time for Case or No Case. My name is Melanie Riggs, being joined, of course, by Jeff Pitman, attorney at PKSD Law Firm. How are you, Jeff?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing well. What scenario do you have?
I got a tricky one.
Okay.
So you work second shift and you get off of work at about 10 o'clock, right? Obviously it's dark out. You're driving home and you come to an intersection that has streetlights. You're going to be making a left turn. You stop at the stoplight before you make your left turn. Okay. Now there is traffic that would be coming towards you that stopped at the light also. The light turns green and you begin your left turn, and then suddenly you get T-boned by a car that didn't have its headlights on. Okay. So you're injured as a result of that crash. So would there be a case or no case against the other driver for your injuries when you made the left turn in front of them?
Because of the headlights, I would assume that there's no case.
I think that there's probably a case against the other driver who did not have her headlights on, okay? Even though you're making the left turn and you have to make sure that it's safe to do that, I think that the fact that she did not have her headlights on, okay, it would be difficult for you to see. You thought you could make that turn safely, so there's probably a case against the other driver.
That makes sense. It is tricky, but really appreciate that one, Jeff. And if you ever want to know if you have a case or no case, all you have to do is dial the threes. That's 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.